Welcome back to the Autoland, where we explore the latest in automotive innovation, comfort, and design. If you're passionate about cars that blend modern style with everyday practicality, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the most exciting vehicles hitting the road. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Citroen C5 Aircross, and we're diving deep into what truly sets this SUV apart. From the crowd, its interior. Citroën has always had a reputation for comfort and originality, and the 2026 C5 Aircross is a perfect example of this philosophy brought to life in a modern, spacious, and highly refined cabin. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how the C5 Aircross interior doesn't just look different, it feels different. It's designed not just to drive, but to live in. The French automaker has focused on three core elements: space, comfort, and calm. The use of soft touch materials throughout the cabin, combined with ambient lighting and a horizontal design layout, gives the interior a relaxing and lounge-like atmosphere. It's not flashy or overly sporty. It's intelligently designed to make every trip enjoyable. One of the standout features in this SUV is Citroën's advanced comfort seats. They're thickly padded, wide, and ergonomically designed with multi-layer foam technology that provides both support and softness. These seats now also feature optional heating and massage functions in the front row, which takes long-distance cruising to a whole new level. Whether you're stuck in traffic or on a road trip, fatigue is reduced significantly. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused. At the center is a 10-inch high-definition touchscreen infotainment system, which has been updated for 2026 with a smoother interface and better responsiveness. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and voice command functionality is more intuitive than ever. The center console has also been slightly redesigned to be more practical, featuring more storage space and wireless charging for compatible devices. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that's customizable to your preferences. Whether you want navigation details, driver assistance information, or just a minimalist layout, it's all easily switchable. The graphics are clean and visibility is excellent even in bright daylight. Passenger space is another area where the 2026 C5 Aircross shines. Citroën's modular design allows for 3 individual rear seats that slide, recline, and fold independently. This makes the rear incredibly flexible, whether you're carrying passengers or need to maximize luggage space. There's plenty of legroom and headroom, and even taller adults will find the back seats comfortable on long journeys. Speaking of cargo, the boot offers between 580 and 720 liters of space, depending on the position of the rear seats. Fold them flat, and you'll have up to 1,630 liters of cargo capacity, making this SUV not just family-friendly, but also perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, or big shopping runs. Another thoughtful touch is the sound insulation. Citroën has focused heavily on acoustic comfort. The cabin feels hushed even at highway speeds, thanks to thicker side windows and enhanced insulation in the floor and firewall. It's a calm and composed environment that isolates you from the chaos of the outside world. For climate control, the dual-zone automatic system is precise and easy to use, with rear vents ensuring backseat passengers stay just as comfortable as those in the front. You also get plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin: door bins, a large glove box, a deep central console box, and clever underfloor storage in some versions. Citroën has also made some eco-conscious updates, incorporating more sustainable materials in the upholstery and trim. There's an optional recycled fabric seat covering that's both stylish and environmentally friendly, showing how Citroën is taking steps toward greener mobility, not just in drivetrain but in every detail. Interior lighting is another area that adds to the calm vibe of the cabin. LED ambient lights in the doors and dash area give the cabin a subtle glow at night, making it feel premium without being distracting. It's those small touches that show Citroën's dedication to a holistic comfort experience. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, the interior of the 2026 Citroën C5 Aircross is designed to make every journey as relaxing and enjoyable as possible. It's not just a car, it's a personal space that adapts to your needs with clever design and soft, welcoming materials. And that's a wrap on our look at the interior of the 2026 Citroën C5 Aircross. If comfort, versatility, and smart design are high on your list, this SUV should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching and spending your time with us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you never miss our next automotive deep dive. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.